Hi everyone, today I'm showing y'all how to make garlic butter breadsticks. In a large mixing bowl, I have 1 cup of self-rising flour. I'm going to add in 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt and then going to mix together. Then you want to knead the dough for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then roll out the dough. And then using a pizza cutter, slice into 10 pieces. Pinch the long side of each piece together to form a breadstick shape. Then place on a baking sheet that's been prepared with parchment paper. You're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Now in a small bowl, I have 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and mix together. Then brush the breadsticks with the butter mixture. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe and thanks for watching!